Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Windows notifications on Lenovo Legion Go. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start, open our settings, move to System, enter Notifications, and right here you can enable or disable the notifications for Windows. There's also an option to click on it, that way you'll be able to manage specific notifications like allow notifications to play sounds, show notifications on the lock screen, and show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. You can also manage which apps can send you notifications. If you scroll down a bit, there's notifications from apps and other senders that you can activate or deactivate. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.